Welcome to Career Compass. It's the compass which provides you the right direction and a throughout support to achieve your dream of becoming a global finance professional. Let me give you 6 reasons to pursue ACCA with us. 1. Team of expert tutors. We guarantee you the team of biggest expert faculties. Our team is a composition of domestic as well as international faculties. These faculties are having the enhanced experience in their respective subjects. 2. We are not just lecturers. There is a vast difference between mentoring and lecturing. A lecturer guides you to make you successful in your exam, but a mentor guides you to make you successful in your professional career. The faculties here at Career Compass are the mentors and not just the lecturers. And being the mentors, we listen to and guide each student personally. 3. What is the key to success? Conducting regular exams. We conduct regular exams for the students so that it can enhance their confidence and reduce the exam fear. It also helps us to assess and guide the student personally. 4. 24/7 access to MOCKUP Guru. We provide free access to our students to the mockupguru.in. It is an online platform started by us, which is having the world's biggest collection of mock papers for ACCA. 5. Our promise to our students. We promise to give best education and mentoring to all of our students. We are believer of giving more and taking less. 6. We work at global level. We are fully equipped to provide world-class education all around the world. Our students are located at different countries like India, UAE, Bahrain, UK, Europe, South Africa. Now, it's your time to discover the world of opportunities with us. Visit our website www.careercompass.co.in or call us now.